Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video you will watch the qualities of a good leader. So let's begin. Leadership is a crucial element in any organization or community, influencing outcomes and guiding teams towards success. A good leader possesses a blend of skills, personal qualities, and behavioral traits that enable them to inspire, motivate, and guide others effectively. This essay explores the key qualities that define a successful leader. Visionary thinking. A good leader has a clear vision of what they want to achieve. As Warren Bennis famously said, leadership is a capacity to translate vision into reality. Visionary leaders see the big pictures, set long-term goals, and develop strategies to reach them. This forward-thinking approach helps guide their decisions and actions, enabling their team to align with the organization's objectives. By communicating this vision clearly, leaders inspire others to share their goals and work towards achieving them. Strong communication skills. Effective communication is a cornerstone of good leadership. As George Bernard Shaw said, the single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. A leader must convey their ideas, instructions, and expectations clearly to their team, ensuring there is no ambiguity. Good leaders are also active listeners, taking the time to understand the concerns, suggestions, and feedback of their team members. This two-way communication builds trust and fosters a collaborative work environment. Integrity and honesty. Integrity is one of the most essential qualities of a good leader. D.Y. Eisenhower once said, "The supreme quality for leadership is unquestionably integrity." A leader with integrity is honest, ethical, and reliable. They consistently demonstrate moral principles and their actions are aligned with the values they profess. By embodying integrity, leaders earn the respect and trust of their team, creating an environment where people feel confident following their directions. Decisiveness. Good leaders are decisive in any movement of decision. The best thing you can do is the right thing, and the next thing is the wrong thing, and the worst thing you can do is nothing, said by Theodore Roosevelt. Effective leaders are able to make tough decisions swiftly, often under pressure, while considering the potential impact on their team and organization. A decisive leader does not shy away from taking responsibility for their decisions, whether the outcomes are positive or negative. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Empathy allows leaders to understand and relate to the emotions and perspective of their team members. Daniel Goleman, who popularized the concept of emotional intelligence, said, "What really matters for success, character, happiness, and lifelong achievements is a definite set of emotional skills, your EQ, not just purely cognitive abilities." Emotional intelligence enables leaders to navigate interpersonal relationships effectively. By being empathetic, leaders can better support their team members, boost morale, and foster a positive and productive work environment. Adaptability and flexibility. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is a crucial trait of a successful leader. As John C. Maxwell noted, change is inevitable, growth is optional. A good leader remains flexible, adjusts their strategies, and is open to new ideas. This adaptability ensures the leader and their team can navigate uncertainly while staying on course to achieve their goals. Accountability and responsibility. Leaders must take responsibility for their actions and decisions as well as for the outcomes of their team. Leadership is not about being in charge, it is about taking care of those in your charge, said Simon Sinek. A good leader does not shift blame when things go wrong, but instead learn from mistakes and work to find solutions. This accountability fosters a culture of ownership within the team, encouraging everyone to take responsibility for their roles and contributions. Motivation and inspiration. One of the most critical roles of a leader is to inspire and motivate their team. John Quincy Adams said, "If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader." A good leader knows how to energize their team members, giving them a confidence and enthusiasm needed to perform at their best. Through encouragement and support, leaders help their teams overcome challenges, develop their skills, and achieve personal and collective success. Conclusion. In conclusion, a good leader is a visionary thinker who communicates effectively, acts with integrity, and demonstrates empathy. They are decisive, adaptable, accountable, and have the ability to inspire and motivate others. As John Maxwell wisely stated, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Leadership is not about authority or power, but about guiding others toward a shared goal with wisdom and compassion. Now don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Please support us. Thank you.